Hello, my wonderful friends, and Happy New Year. Yes, twice in one day. Could you be so lucky? Just kidding. Anyway, guys, as you can see by the title, it is finally time to pick and announce our 2018 Kawaii Bag Charm Holiday Giveaway winner. Wow, another mouthful. But anyway, guys, yes, it is finally time. So I am going to grab the laptop. We are going to head upstairs and we are going to find out who the winner is. Okay, guys, so we are still downstairs because it is actually freezing up in my pastel room. But we are going to head up there in a few minutes to give you guys a good look at the prize. But anyway, here is the original giveaway video that I posted. So the first thing that I am going to have to do is delete my comment, which is pinned at the top of the page. So that way I don't get chosen as the winner. So we are going to delete that comment. And now if we go over here. Okay, so I have reloaded the page and I have entered the video URL. So hopefully it works this time. So I'm going to press load comments. And okay, it worked this time. So we have 65 unique users found, and we are going to randomly pick a winner. This is always Chase's favorite part. So Chase, please come over and do the honors. So the button you're gonna press is randomly pick a winner. And now we can all see who the winner is. So the winner is Tran Doe, 1 comment, 1 like, and he or she says all of the stuff in this video are really cute. Good luck to everyone who entered. What a sweetie. Okay, Tran Doe, please contact me at the email address in the description box below. Yeah, and I can't wait to get you your prize. So congratulations to today's winner. I am so excited, but for everyone else who didn't win, have no fear. Another giveaway is just around the corner and you definitely won't want to miss out on that. For now, let's head on upstairs and take a look at this giveaway prize. Okay, guys, so we are finally back up in my pastel room. I am gonna try to be a little bit quiet because Dada Bear is putting Chase to bed. But here we are, so I can show you guys the prize again. So I did hand make this bag charm, and it is so beautiful. I have hung it on one of my favorite bags just so you guys can see how it looks. It actually matches with my bag perfectly. So like I said in the original giveaway video, I think I might have to make one for myself. Anyway, I did not end up making a second one yet, but I am going to make a second, and I will be giving that one away in another giveaway. That will be coming up sometime in the next 10 days. But anyway, here is the prize for this giveaway. I think it is so adorable. I attached a whole bunch of dangles, there is crystals, there is little kawaii charms and beads, and of course the pastel resin deer. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I hope that the winner does too. So other than that, please do not mind the mess. I actually still have not tidied up from my last video, and I only have 17 minutes to get this video out before the January 1st deadline. If you haven't seen my last video, make sure you go check it out because I got a whole bunch of really awesome pastel stickers and pastel stuff as usual. Not only that, I've had more pastel bells arrive, and they are so cute. I'm just going to show them to you guys now because I can't wait any longer. Just look at these. Oh my goodness. So I got mint ones, I got baby pink ones, and just wait till you guys see the next ones. So like I was saying, I also got some darker pink ones, but wait till you guys see the ones I am about to show you next. Oh my goodness, they are so freaking kawaii and so freaking beautiful. I am so in love. So I'm actually pretty sure that the next giveaway is definitely going to involve bells. I think that these bells would look super awesome hanging off any kawaii bag. Oh, I love them. They are so adorable. I got them from eBay. They come in so many different colors. I had no idea how big they were going to be. Oh my goodness, I am absolutely obsessed. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share those two. Basically, beside me, I have a ton of stuff that I'm going to be sharing in my what I got for Christmas haul. I got some makeup, I got some toys, I got gift cards, Pusheen, a whole bunch of stuff, you guys. So make sure you come back to check that out. I am going to be posting that tomorrow or possibly Thursday, and then I will be back on Friday with some subscriber happy mail. That's all for today. Good luck to the winner, and I will see you all very soon. Stay sweet, stay kawaii, and bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.